The journey of cooking oil begins with sunflower seeds, which are delivered to this modern factory. Clean seeds are crushed into thin flakes by rollers to make oil extraction easier. The seed flakes are heated by steam, which makes the oil extraction process more effective.
In the laboratory, seed samples are taken. Their oil content and moisture are tested. A technician records results and approves the batch.
Now, the fully conditioned seed flakes are sent towards the expeller pressing machines, where the oil will be extracted. The powerful screw press applies intense pressure to the seeds, causing crude oil to begin to flow out. Oil remaining from the husks of pressed seeds is extracted through a special system. High-temperature steam is used to remove unwanted odor and taste from the oil, making it completely pure.
The clarified oil is passed through a fine filter so that it becomes completely transparent and pure. Before bottling, oil samples are taken. Their purity and quality are thoroughly tested.
Labeled bottles are passed through a high-sensitivity metal detector to ensure complete safety. Automated capping heads twist and seal caps while applying tamper-proof seals.
Cooking oil is now displayed on store shelves, ready for customers to buy. And finally, this hard-earned cooking oil reaches a home kitchen.
This is the complete journey from seed to pure oil, from the farm to the kitchen. With the help of the latest technology,